Let's start with the problem. Organic waste, when left in the open, doesn't just rot. It releases methane, a greenhouse gas that's about 80 times more potent than CO2 over 20 years. In many African communities, that waste is either burned or dumped, releasing toxic gases like nitrates and hydrogen sulfide that poison the air and water. At the same time, 600 million people in sub-Saharan Africa still lack reliable electricity. Many rely on smoky generators or kerosene lamps, while the very waste they're throwing away could be powering their homes. Meanwhile, the carbon market is booming, but it's broken. Double-counted credits, unverifiable claims, and black box data have eroded trust. Companies want real climate impact, but today buying a credit often feels like a gamble. What's missing is trust, and that's exactly what we're solving. We saw all these problems, and that's where Nodebility brings the two together, turning waste into clean energy and verifiable climate action. Our decentralized Bionodes produce biogas and electricity from organic waste, while Hedera ensures that every step, from gas production to token issuance, is digitally verified and permanently recorded on a carbon-negative public ledger. Here's how it all comes together. The Bionode comes to life, tracking every bit of waste it processes, from the methane it captures to the clean electricity it generates. Once it hits 100 kilowatt hours of clean energy, an AI agent kicks in, automatically preparing a mint request to certify the carbon impact. This request flows into Hedera, where it gets cross-checked through a token minting policy to ensure the data is real and verifiable. After verification, Guardian issues a tamper-proof digital certificate, a verifiable credential along with a verifiable presentation that anyone can audit. Finally, the Hedera token service mints a biogas token, proving that 1 ton of CO2 emissions has been avoided, fully traceable from waste to token. As biogas data flows in from sensors, the AI agent constantly monitors performance. When it detects a potential improvement, like tweaking feedstock ratios or optimized methane conversion, the agent automatically triggers a proposal. That proposal is packaged and sent through Hedera SDK, which creates an HCS topic and deploys an on-chain voting smart contract. The full payload is then published to the topic, opening it up for community review and DAO governance. This way, upgrades are not just automated, but auditable and locally approved. Users can instantly swap biogas tokens for HBAR using atomic swaps on Hedera. No middlemen, no waiting, and it costs just a fraction of a cent. For governance, AI agents can propose upgrades like optimize methane conversion and waste handling. Proposals are published through the Hedera consensus service, and every biogas token you hold gives you 1 vote in the decision-making process. 1 token equals 1 vote. Votes are submitted on-chain, counted automatically, and if passed, the upgrade is executed autonomously via smart contracts. Nodebility runs entirely on Hedera, using W3C compliance standards like DIDs and verifiable credentials to make every policy, schema, and token auditable, authentic, and on-chain. Our token minting and token association policies follow the same trusted frameworks adopted by global carbon registries, anchored via Hedera consensus service, and structured for interoperability. These aren't smart contracts, but they're standards-aligned digital policies that you can verify, audit, and build on. Biogas isn't just another token. It's a real working climate solution with 3 key utilities. First, climate impact. Every biogas token stands for 1 ton of emissions avoided. And we don't just say it, we prove it, with verifiable data from Hedera. Second, governance. Holding biogas means you have a voice. 1 token, 1 vote. Communities don't just participate, they help shape the project through on-chain proposals. And third, economic value. Biogas tokens can be instantly swapped for HBAR. We're literally turning waste into income, giving people direct access to global climate finance. With Nodebility, we're not just powering homes. We're restoring trust in carbon markets and turning organic waste into energy, impact, and opportunity. This is how we build a future where climate action is verifiable, inclusive, and unstoppable.